Hi guys. Today I'm making lunch. Hot dogs and mini rolls. And this is Sky. I just pressed her tummy. And me and Sky are going to do a fun idea. We're going to sit Sky right here. Actually, over here. Ingredients that you need are hot dogs, rolls. First, let's worry about the rolls. Guys, now you guys have to separate it like this, and we're going to roll it up in. Roll, roll, roll. Roll, roll, roll. Like this one. Roll. Okay. At the top. Okay. I'm not really sure about this hot dog. This hot dog is like peeking out. Okay, Mom. Go. I think this will be double taste. It's like it's going to squish together. Squishing it. There. That's the best I could do, guys. No problem with the pinking things. The Sky thinks it's nice. Don't you, Sky? You guys have to set it 375. Sky thinks that's so much fun. Sky gives it a thumbs up. Don't you, Sky? Now we're going to put it in the oven. Let's turn it around so it's easy for me to carry it. Mommy, you know what to do. Ooh. Should I put at the bottom one?
Doesn't matter. One? Yeah.
Ooh. Should I close it? Oh, it's hot. Oh, I can see the light in there. Now bake for 10 minutes. Guys, they're ready to eat, and ta-da!